wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Woo! Yay!
Well, today, as you can see, we're not at our Dream Again set, but we're outside in the park. Aren't you excited, Olivia?
Yes, I am. I'm so excited because today we're celebrating Father's Day, and Father's Day is a special day.
Yeah, exactly, because our father's a pretty good dad. He's my best friend, isn't it true?
Why, yes, Noah, that is very true. I'm so happy to have him. He's not just our best friend, but the person who always takes care of us, is always there for us whenever we need him.
That is very true. He's like, whenever I'm in need or I have a problem, I just always can go to him and he's there to help us out. Sometimes it'll seem that he'll say something for us not to do, or he will disallow us to do anything, and it seems mean at the time. But in truth, he's just trying to help us.
Exactly, Noah. That is so true. So today, we want to do something really fun. We're outside in the park, and we're going to play badminton. What are you going to do, Noah?
Well, I'm going to play baseball because I love baseball, and I know Dad loves baseball too.
Yeah, exactly. And you can always decide to do whatever it is you want. You can play bowling with him.
Or mini golf.
Or make his favorite pizza.
And watch a movie, right?
Exactly. Well, kids, you know, whatever it is, spend some time with your dad and have a lot of fun.
Yeah, that's the greatest thing to say. And you know what? What you can tell your dad too?
What is that, Noah?
I love you. Yeah, tell that to your dad. Because no matter what disputes or discussions or anything you'll ever have, any problems you'll ever have, at the end of the day, he loves you very much, and you will love him for that too, right?
Yeah, that is very true. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to play... Wait, what was it? What we going to play? Oh yeah, we're going to play badminton.
Yeah, and I'm going to play baseball. Woo!
Well, goodbye, kids. And don't forget to say, I love you, Dad, and just have a great day.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that's it for today, kids. Have fun playing with your dad, whatever it is that you're going to end up doing with him. And see you next time. Bye!
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 Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.